Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. We all have been focusing on Hamster, Kombat, Blum and X Empire, but there are so many other airdrops available in the market that have good potential and are going to launch very soon. Well, in today's video we are going to talk about the Seed airdrop, which was launched recently and is all set to launch the token in November. So just keep watching this video till the end to understand everything, and if you find this video informative then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, as you can see on your screen, we are here in our Seed airdrop account. The process is quite similar to Blum. You don't need to keep tapping on the screen. You can see seeding is running, and every 3 to 4 hours you will have to claim the earned points. Like Hamster and X Empire, you don't get millions of seed points in a single click. Here in this airdrop you get 1 point, 2 point, and even sometime for some big tasks you just get half seed point. It means that at the time of the token launch, token supply won't be too high, but yes, price will be really good. When we open the app, they show us a message listing in November. To earn some extra seed points, you can perform the tasks in that earn tab, where you have to perform some given tasks in order to earn extra seed points. Also in the boost tab, you can upgrade your level by paying with your earned seed points. If you upgrade your level, your mining speed will be increased and your claiming time will be decreased. Also, you can invite your friends and you both will get 2 seed points for every successful referral. Also, if your friend has Telegram Premium, then you both get 10 seed points for each successful referral. So guys, if you haven't joined this Seed airdrop till now, then please join this fantastic mining app today. They are going to launch the token in November at a very good price, and you will surely get a good profit with Seed airdrop. Well guys, I believe you find this video informative, so please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.